Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change the accent in Google Translate. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open translate.google.com on any of your browser and you can see that you can easily translate it. Right now it will come on the US accent, but if you want to change the accent, you can change the website over here. So let's go ahead and keep it on UK and you can see that you will now get the UK version of the accent. So you can translate it and listen to it.
Hello.
And you notice that you can change the voice as well. So you can change it to normal, slow or slower, and the accent has also been changed. But if you want more accents, just go ahead and search for Natural Reader. It is a free page over here. Just go ahead and scroll a bit down and find Natural Reader. After you go, just go ahead and click on Get Started, which is over here. Then click on Personal. Wait for a while and the Natural Reader's page will load up. What you need to do is copy your text over here and you can see that you can set up this. So you can set up multiple languages over here and multiple accents will also be provided to you. You can see there are a lot of AIs who you can choose. So go ahead and click on Next and you can click on this over here. Wait for a while as it is loading. And now you can drop your files over here. So you can paste something like hello everybody, how you doing? Or how are you? So you can change the voice anytime you want. After you've written this, you can just go ahead and click on play. And after you click play, the voice will be read and the accent will be changed according to the voice you have chose. If you want to choose this, so you can see this is the accent, but if you want to change it, you can see there are a lot of free or premium accents to choose from and a lot of voices or a lot of languages to choose from as well. So if you want to choose the UK version, just go ahead and select it and you can listen to it for a trial as well. You can select this box over here and there you go. Now you can click on play, wait for a while and then your accent will be changed. As you can see and listen, the accent has been changed. So guys, this is how you can translate it from Google. Just go ahead and select the language which is over here, write your translation. So you can choose this, copy this over here. Just go ahead and copy it. After you have copied it, just go ahead and paste it over here. Go to change language. And as we want this on Spanish, just go ahead and search for Spanish, which is all the way down. After you select it, you can see some of the free, premium and plus AI options. You can just go ahead and select the free for now. Go ahead and click on play.
Hola todos los días.
There you go. This is how you can change the accent on Google Translate. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.